of all, you need to go to this Google Apps icon and go to your Google Classroom. Okay, and please go to your own computing Google Classroom, and you will see a new assignment has been posted, which is called dino-era. Okay, what you do, you will just click this Google slide copy, click that, and you will see the instructions, same instructions. What you will need to do is choose two characters. So let's just scroll down, choose which two characters you are interested in. For example, I might want to take this, so I'll just click on this and Command C or Control C to copy, and then I'll choose which setting I want it to be on. So okay, I'll choose this setting, then here I'll just uh, Control V or Command V, and then I choose another setting, character. Maybe another one will be a T-Rex. Here you go, click on the T-Rex, Control C or Command C, and go back to the setting that you have chosen. Control V here. Okay, I have done uh, the first one. Now number 2, delete the slides. I don't need, so I'm gonna delete this, all of the other slide except for this. I'm gonna delete this, and also including the instruction.